KBC Channel 1 on X, Facebook and YouTube.
People's Liberal Party leader Martha Karua has disclosed that human rights organizations will seek justice for activists Boniface Mwangi and Agather Atuhaire of Uganda at the East African Court of Justice and African Court of Human and People's Rights for atrocities committed by Tanzanian authorities.
She has called on the African Union Commission to form a commission of inquiry to probe the matter.
A day after activist Boniface Mwangi and Agather Atuhaire of Uganda narrated their ordeal in the hands of Tanzanian authorities while in detention in Communicado, People's Liberal Party leader Martha Karua says human rights organizations will seek justice at the East African Court of Justice, African Court on Human and People's Rights, and other avenues.
I know the East African Law Society is filing an action against the authorities in Tanzania, in the first instance, in the Tanzanian courts. We'll be suing in the African court and on any other site possible internationally.
Karua also calling on the African Union Commission to launch a probe into the matter.
We call upon the African Union through the African Commission on Human and People's Rights and the UN Human Rights Council to establish a commission of inquiry into human rights abuses in Tanzania, in Uganda, and Kenya. The people we have mentioned affected are just a tip of the iceberg.
Karua saying persons involved in committing the atrocities against the duo, including torture and sexual assault, must be held to account.
We urge you to impose targeted sanctions on individuals, not on countries, on individuals responsible for enforced disappearances, torture and suppression of civic space. And they're known. In Tanzania, at least we now know.
She, however, raised concerns over the silence of the international community, the United Nations and the African Union over abuse of human rights.
This is no longer a Tanzanian issue. It's no longer a Ugandan or a Kenyan issue. It's an East African issue, and it's also an African issue.
Further, the PLP leader condemned the arrest of Rose Njeri for developing a program that aids public participation on Finance Bill 2025.
Just imagine the irony that today was the start of the public participation on the 2025 Finance Bill. Yet, Rose Njeri was arrested because of providing space online for Kenyans to robustly participate.
Giverson Maina, Prime Edition.